Most Android phones will have this little bottom bar with navigation buttons, and you can hide it if you want to. To hide the buttons, we'll go to Settings first, and on my Samsung phone, I'll then navigate to Display. From there, we'll find Navigation Bar, which allows us to switch the buttons to swipe gestures, eliminating the bar on the bottom of the screen and freeing up some screen real estate. Some Android phones will have this under Settings, System, Gestures, and from there you'll find System Navigation. Same idea, just located in a slightly different place depending on what phone model you have. With the swipe gestures enabled, you can swipe halfway up to bring up your app switcher, and a full swipe up takes you back to the home screen. You can swipe left and right from the bottom to quickly switch between apps, and you can swipe inward from either side of your screen to go one step back in whatever app you're in. Basically, all those three buttons that used to be on the bottom of your screen will now have a swipe-based alternative. And that's how you hide the bottom bar. Click that like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.